said the MC Nika no Belapa awake and you be our boy yes say nyame nhyira ye nyina and na yenda ye so abem yen kola yi daache se be ya omone enkola wo kro kasiem omonim die enka akire ana embuanti se ya hyase a na yinim se ensi ha ebeto aso na nyame adom ya na fe ani afibia ebedi so minim se boni beka so omo adapte se de be ya afibia no obdo mo ho de betaye kire a na yankola e won potem no ani nkro ketwa num no omanja BBC ama na mo nim de enti ye besere sasem reform betia said ye ka no sa na tie enti ye besere no ma besom na nana so betai o machi said ye be ya Kyerema Foundation nyame ya adoma enso de enti yankola enti me ma me kasa nye tenten mesa nana ne mpanifo ase
Naneji. I also want to thank the chiefs and the elders who have gathered here today for giving me the opportunity to stand here and to say I am very grateful. Opportunities of this nature doesn't come often, and for that I'm grateful. As I stand here before all of you, I've been a student myself, so I can see the excitement in the faces of the students. I saw when the drone flew and the excitement and the joy that we all saw. I didn't experience that personally, and so I know the struggles that some of us have gone through to get to where we are. I am pleased to see the attendance today, and it's very clear, having seen the chiefs and the elders here today, that we all agree that the foundation to building a good community stems from a good education. To see the sponsors and to see the individuals who are here today attending the event, it warms my heart. I am certainly looking forward to see more of the display that we've seen already. I am looking forward to understanding and also having more appreciation, particularly for the cell culture that the lady had mentioned earlier. Nana J and I, we have the same passion for education. So when Nana approached me about the program, I was very excited, simply because I get to play a part of it, and I get to be part of this wonderful event today. I didn't have to read a lot to understand that education is important. I grew up in a very small village. Okay, more excitement. Are we okay? I hope you're okay. Are we safe?
Yeah.
We're all safe. Okay. G4S is here. You are very secured indeed. So growing up, like many of the kids that we see here, I didn't experience any of this. So it's a joy to see that today. We always, however, had very high hopes, and I can see the children do have it, and we have the support of the community as well. Kyerema Foundation is investing in education because they know that it would help us all build a better community that we live in. This is not a dream, but a reality, and we all see it today. I believe it, and I know Nana also believe it, and the chiefs and the elders who are here today believe it. I want all the children and young people who have gathered here today to take education very seriously to be educated themselves, to teach each other what they will learn today and what they will pick up also, to take it home and to discuss it to other children who were not fortunate enough to be here today. I'm grateful today, and I look forward to the rest of the event. Thank you all very much.
Traffic light any timer nina ye addition hwehwemu bi a ekoso physics department honum bi afi nso ye nuclear biomedical science almost ye call ya yare sabia hodo no a wono a ye x-ray ne scan ne sa ne man afi cancer ho addition any emu hwehwemu eno nso nuclear omona edisa adwumadie no mai entie ne baya enema hodo bi a ye no department honum bi na ye de ebe kyeremo entie ye baya fam ho a ye ho light hodo a edisa de ne nyina ye nhwehwemu a ekoso physics department honum a obi a oba ho bia no besua abodie mu nyansa no no so edimi ede aboa ye man Ghana bedamwase
climate science na dwumadie a ye di ne simply terms in the say inso ebeto another inso ento inti se mope ye no bebria e bi keka ho but the metima chire mama matias ye no se mope no nchiremu bebria ye platform no na e wo honom no ye damase
anase application no ebeba enti aeroplane ne trimpo ne se ene ye hu se ye de dwuma bebri na the entire affair no say bibiara wo technology mu no ubenya ewo aeroplane yem the friends say aeronautics inti akola bi ho to me de nsa adane say na adwen dwuma e de computer e de designing card ewo obi ho a otumi ehun se na ye ba hye wires ne ade ehun bi wo obi ho a otumi ye design ebi wo drawing ebi wo nti ni nyina no ene ya ka bom ne de ahyehyɛ sa aeroplane a esi hɔ no ebese na ahodo ne nyama babri na ebeboa mankora no so adwena aba so sɛ omoyɛ ma sɛ omoyɛ den fomwanfo na te hɔ nanso yede na wɔtwe ba ko pɛ esan sɛ yede sie no sɛ betumi ayɛ nti no yɛbɔ yɛ ho mɔden nti saa na nso pɛ sɛ yɛ no the massive babri
Yedamase. Erema okoje abusia. Bani biodu otaso libu. Wena tegonya. Ai na no mo na chachao. Na no mo na chachao. Okoje abusia no. Okoje kana no. Obaje mo hobo chulo. Atu kwa fena no no. Yedamase. Erema okoje abusia. Bani biodu otaso libu. Wena tegonya. Ai na no mo na chachao. Na no mo na chachao. Okoje abusia no. Okoje kana no. Obaje mo hobo chulo. Atu kwa fena no no. Chachao. Pilot to say, man, 1 minute, no money seat beds. When the seat beds and what man come now. You have some that, but they buy and on that, what they buy. If I call able to sit in the sun, maybe aha. There's a what would you have president to you? I am president to you, we are general. Ambulance for a map, I can't ambulance. The ambiguity, yeah, oh, we get you. Yeah, pass on my
Makers Play STEM Center, Tech STEM Center, this technology, SKT Aero Shelter, Afrakobi Girls Senior High School, Kumasi, Ghana National Service. I see my senior people, the servicemen, the police, the Kyerema Foundation, sincerely for bringing this novel program to Atiwa East and for that matter, Anyinam and its environment. I take this opportunity to call on other well-wishers to have the town in mind in their programs. Modern chiefs do not lead their subjects in wars, but rather on the path of progress, and this is what I have sworn to do. Societies keep on changing to improve the way of life of the people. This science and technology fair is here to give you the opportunity to practice what you learn in class and what you hear and talk about in your everyday life. You learn many subjects and programs in school to prepare you for life. The study of science is about asking questions, making observations, performing experiments, drawing, conclusion and basis on acquired knowledge to solve human problems for a more comfortable life. Human beings are always finding ways and means to use less energies, resources, time, and more effective and efficient methods to achieve good results, or to make life more comfortable. This is what technology is about. We have moved from using smoke, drums, and bells to send messages to the use of mobile phone, communication centers, TVs, and radio, and others. We have moved from reading from big and voluminous books to the use of laptop and phones. We have moved from using leaves to store foodstuffs to the use of refrigerator. We have moved from the use of feet, arm, lens, step, and other parts of the body to the use of meter or rule. We have moved from using only soil to grow crops. We have moved from traveling long distance to deliver materials to the use of drones. We have moved from relying on only rain water for farming. We have moved from the use of hoe and cutlass farming to the use of weedicide, pesticide, harvesters, and others. The whole world is moving towards the study of science and technology, and that is why Ghana Education Service is emphasizing on STEM, science, technical, engineering, and mathematics education. To conclude, I entreat you to take all subjects seriously, but call on those who have the ability and capability to pursue science, technical, engineering, and mathematics more seriously. I'm reminding you of STEM school at Abumusu. Take advantage of it. The program here is to help you understand very well what you have learned in class. I call on parents and guardians to encourage their children and wards to take science, technical, engineering, mathematics more seriously. Again and again, thank you for making time with us, and have a traveling message back home. On this, I welcome all and declare the program duly launched. Me nani ni twi kakra. Me wa me mpani amontie ni. Me be di ade abosumi nsia ene ene. Mpo ye kwa ye hye me kom se me wu abosumi nsia. Na ye pra kwa ani ma na ye pra kwa chi Ghana. Muma ye susu ma politics no enwia ye wa. Ne odi adwen ba se ma school fo no ma ha no. E de na obenya. Na me na meka me na me di ni kuro. Obi biara obeye bibi wo kuro ha. Na di puntu obeba ama me kuro man etu man de etu me fo na me ntie o. Be boa oni ako ama ba bi okoso kodu bia akokodu. Ehia se eka na nipa nyina ate. Me ye nyina me hene na me ho ma obi bia. Me ho ma kuro nipa bia o tim bia. Ye nananom e chichiri kuro yi. On the before, Crobofo, Mosifo, Nagatifo, Abasarfo, just say, baby, you know what trouble more at Chichico. Not the intin and the big bar. Now I better change them in Quasia. Now I didn't buy never. Say, I so cried in a minute, a 3 idea or 2. As I see so in a minute, and he made to me for Namintio. They moved to me for Paddy Amefa. Near me came in and said, you my dear, oh my mad, dachi, oh my baby, oh my dear. Now then, and you see a man who can say, Mama. Then for the young craft where the way, meaning maybe computer and museum, maybe typewriter, typing. Now you print papers now. You can stencil because me, not me, stenographer secretary. Who just stencil. Who baby na inka yo who say him na be pan baby da say and then ni bie na kwa ma ye se efre baby say who ko print ade a who gina wa na awie kan ni e twa foto a say gina hoje who twa ye gina hoje no o ko hye to kuro mu na ode na tie ko wuro o ko na ti anu ahwe ase and then mfoni e kura mo nketen so ade e kese ko mo ma ye madu mesua na ti afre chechire fo no bra mo bra o classroom na ni say. And it's Coco Bominsa, Eddie Dia dances, many abre. And Yamide, who may be CBM. Sherema air canoe or see Nessia crown, Beba. Nessia and Suyen. Now, all for baby. Nani idea fish at dances. And it messer or penny quote here, children. Junior Wubium, so ma. Mumu Bebre or Mumanco school. Katiwa isi ye wo binu wo chire pa ade atu nei konso be hubi quote me. I'm prepared to answer. Quote me. No yeah dwen say all man kwala no ma tiwa isi mehebi no ono ese no a medam ase mpani medam nyina ase.
Please yeah STEAM education providers na your target group nkwala ye che nkwala adesua bia ye friend science, technology, engineering, art any mathematics. Now, your assembly, say if you can't beat them, just join them. Just say when you be the Akona Nipakono, then Chenwa, or say Okani Pakono, if soon to me, and in India, technology about technology, Sunday, we are boy bravo, and when you know, your first and it's idea when they are 2 years to say, see our technology, abandoned, they not say a chain for our technology. Your show my come, Missify, and who's an Edding Fidia, they didn't get on the Edding Fidia, Juma, Juma, day. I am ready. Then I am fire and hold them 1 year Juma. Then Fidia, Juma, it is all she have. We know the friend of hydroponic smart growing machine. Now, smart grow away, you did are there. Now, you did vegetables. And she said, oh, share your friend is same screen is what. And when I did your friend is saying vegetables, if a fair tomatoes and idea. Now, Osha has to with your friend a 3D printer. Your 3D printing, and the printing, we cannot have a friend a toy, but we a 3D model and printed. It's the computer and model we are. Now you should command and they are made 3D printer, no, Emma, no, I printed. Okay, we so. When we friend M-bots robots. Now, and when I hear the chain colano, I dear friend robotics. The other chum must be able to make how to command a machine, and I say how to write instructions for a machine. I put because coding, and it's and when I make it place here. Oh, me pato there beware for display. Yeah, the chain color the interno. Yeah, but I say yeah, but then the chain color say yeah, what can you say? I will honor and your chalk. And your chalk and your blackboard on one the chain color there, but I can't hold those to say what honor my editor there. I wa crap. Ya wa sentence me and say your bako abelink bako easily one bako dance man. And I hear registration online. So people www.makersplacegh.com. Obe hu yen baby I wa na we hwe so na aba. Oh, me pacho, and yes, I tried the Anqua. Yeah, no, yeah, cutting her technology. So people say, yeah, man, young Cassa, you bet my BPR, our that's it.
In the SKT Aero Shatter. Yeah, so here I drone which man. The 2 drones said here near my P. You DBS spraying. The 2 drones here delivery. The 2 drones here survey. Yeah, inspection. Yeah, security. Never be brave. Now, bet me I dream who be a real machine be a bit me. I know. Your drone says to me, be spray fertilizer and I didn't.
We are where the any say, and I just remember in case I will be a phone up and I say, how is it an arm for sale?
Okay, so the tenants say, oh, maybe our farm, thousands of hectares, so be spray thousands of hectares, and I do so far until the drone you be more with the shortest possible time. The bit me spray in our mouth until the year Jumama. Mango farm, I mean farms do their sugar cane there. The experience watch it. Now parts in the war, you manufacture her. Now drone is now who is in a seaway. And yes, I thought about a bar spot. Nayankasa assemble what I say. Yes, assemble one day. I you might be free. A man for yes. Okay, when you see a delivery drone, I did delivery. When your friend Victor, I just a vertical takeoff and landing. The two is a helicopter. You do we are not putting him to set an aeroplane. They cost so many kilometers. So far, you're running about 60 to 70 kilometers. Takwa, you're running as a to the world now pen a chassis. Maybe I say Kobiano, a corner could see on man, and Pacunaba be in the package. When the package, you are not doing us into Aba. Yes, we have a traffic. Yes, we have a choir, and you may be a better or fine, so you may do within minutes.
Senior high school. Na yawo trouble ma Kumasi. Na ya botane say ya pese ya model science. Edman girls. Ewo Ghana ne Asante Man nyina mu. Nti yadwuma dia say man STEM education. Application of STEM, technology, engineering, computer science, bibia wo mu a yɛde kyerɛ nkɔlaa no nti wei mu yɛ engineering club yɛ school fo a mowɔ nsa no saa akyɛdeɛ no nti afa bɛfi all departments home econs fo wɔ general arts fo wɔ science fo wɔ visual arts fo wɔ na yɛtrain wɔn ɛnyɛ wei nkwa na yɛyɛ other science project a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛbɛboa biribi a yɛwɔ no ɛne Ghana man nyinaa government school
aside aside say engineering say be
with a club cool different department to me joining by your courses in science or visual arts, home science, general arts, agric, but you are picking Colano. Every those departments, I come up with a club, engineering. Well, you're checking electronics in the city, you're connected to me to know. And one is near the buyer. But be here to me see. Be here to me see. You go so I problem about honor. Now you're correct. Now you're saying
but before say and no crab panel, you will never be real man, you come and son of which into Opa Department of Meteorology and Climate Science, there are various research groups, there were climate modeling and the use of land cover and surface observation and climate impact on research and there were boundary layer processes. So University, the various programs are here from the first degree to PhD. But I say, BSc Meteorology and Climate Science. And now, I say, a Juma or if you are met, group be an met station be now per se or better Piapa or no, Yamania MPhil into research, but on obey MSc because our experience another and no pedigree no at the idea. And last one, in Kofa, Yeshaw Masi, saying case in various projects. Now, Moso Yasu, Skasemu, and in Mebia, and I will have say, it is a more person who Pacho key forecast.
That is the world map. And then we can.
This department, there is a geophysics, assassin the earth. Into anything beneath the earth, there should be beer, Namedia chair was nothing. Into we have gold, diamond, all minerals, in oil and gas, as you see, 2 of what I doing in oil and gas. Into that's what we do. You use science and they get all these discoveries. You should go there, like you got say, if you move to me, go him to have near to near say assassin, but with science, it gives us precision, accuracy. It's most a baby potty, young say. Give the location depth don't you to so that at the end you waste time and I say you waste this car. So this is one of the equipment for seismic. You should never be brain physics to determine all these things. Where I get seismic into your bed illustrate.
Into say you see assassin movie say assassin was so bit me see oil or honma a fidiri and I did this surgery. It said a year you say yet the Ahoden no manua, a class as no so near Tias as no the area, Tipato Tiaso Din. Stamp or so on Casa. Tiana Din.
Casa. The more Rubao, Yankobio.
Tiaso. It's a car. BBC and Aina, now the firm figure more, and now you would your assassin.
Our research focuses on materials and understanding these material properties and exploiting them to make all kinds of inventions. We also like to devise automation and we have several of our setups over here. Our programs in the Department of Physics include material science, solid state physics, mathematical and computational physics as well. And so we have a few flyers that we want to give out. Let me talk very briefly on our exhibition so far. We have over here a solar-powered traffic light that is running purely on solar. You can see the solar panels on the back of the yes, and this is built completely in the Department of Physics. You can see here some of our boards that we designed at the department. We built and designed these boards all at the department. This is the engine for the traffic unit, designed and built at the Department of Physics. This is one of our prototypes as well. So this traffic light is actually running on KNUST campus, and we are also available to work with any community that is willing to help us, willing to collaborate with us to set up these things in their communities. Let's move on to time. From 5 minutes all the way up to 1 hour, you can set your time, turn it on, and then it sends power to the iron. When the time is up, it automatically switches off. And this is a very basic design that we are putting on the market. Move on to these. This is a timer that we are using for examination purposes. We set a time and we mount it in a classroom, and then the students can see the time as it's going by, and so then they don't necessarily need to have a watch on them or anything like that. This is an LED cube display that we use for teaching and learning. You can put all kinds of displays on it for students to be able to see, because most people are visual learners. They require things to see so that they can learn. And this is an example of the setup that we use. It's for all regions, all the region system. This phone automation system, you can send a message to this device and it can power these sockets. And so, typically, what you do in a home would be to set this up with your power units, and then you can control the various power units in the house. But we just set it up with this plus to show the proof of concept. It also has a sensor that can determine the presence of people, so that when you're in a room, as soon as you enter the room, the socket will come on, the light will come on. And when you leave, it will off as well. You can send a message to it to turn it off when you are at work or anywhere in the world. All built and designed at the campus. For example,
I'm doing the very fun as well.
The name of the school Akyem of this school. This will be sitting on the discussion system. This has a range of about 15 meters. This has a range of about 15 meters, so it can be used in very large rooms, so it doesn't matter where you are. That is completely wireless. We are doing a production for TV. You don't want wires all over the place, and it's very messy. So it's completely wireless. So these are what we do at the Department of Physics. We believe in creating local solutions for
drone built on a vertical takeoff and landing. The two is
I want to know.
Yo, yeah, I'm a say, some of you are putting in us on the bus. We're black to have a fee, a coming before the man more. Oh, you know, hey, that's not like a good one. Be an hour trick. Be an hour trick. Baby, every. And the point is, I'm about to know what you're doing.
It's nice, it's beautiful. Tell someone this is beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. It's very curious technology. We have drones.
Robotics here.
So basically, I say drone, what comes to mind? Hello. When I say drone, what comes to mind?
Ahana yewo ena arena ye try in kola any atchere for ena mo chere kola pa chere da mas
Esaya me ya
About temperature, version of temperature, thermometer, on your money,
We
I'm a member of your
we see a fingerprint sensor, it's me. We do fingerprints, nip block, not so yeah, not easy. It's made demonstrate actually.
Now, Amazing Grace. Most of all, to us, Amazing Grace for wow.
This is one.
There's a problem.
It's media. Adaka ni share say we are near to. Need to see if you do so. Now to drone and where to be to no one video here one. E ko incrase e ko ja e drone ni ma no to one. Na ye hu ni say emma sa health center centers compound. E mu nya some we nya fridge akese ye dey store in Boni. Mu nya me no mu nya no mo fe na ma ne dey akomo. Say na e video ni te. E go ani pa we do mu hu say na e te ba. Nkese e say ya ne te. E no ade di juma. Na ye bia no wo sum omena ko ene obi wo mampo ene to sum ye to sum mampo aba ko yo ye oh but asante mampo de to sum yansa no wo wale de to sum nine no se hwi oso enum ni wo de to sum enu e wo enum de to sum sia no ketekrache ti ye mo de ase as say mrepo ni na ye mo de ase ye betre ahye mu akaba Ghana ni na nti to be here a draw in many more years, yes, same. Now, you to this I said to Manama. Yeah, we do it in Winter Mukaka.
I must say, Minas, you are all the drone by you do one by 6 going.
When I give me a day, which catching you know.
Farmers ask
we here by the beach. We are moving for face.
We know say yeah kuja. Let's say people every just to have it. They are changing. So my profile and my profile.
We are not
your hydrant.
Hydrant.
Yeah, was street. Pipeline. Tell you won't never know. You get the juice, you I said the fight. I say, just scroll on my Twitch now. I say, the Twitter. Well, don't be extinguishing companies not at all. They said in the air, won't do it, you know, by entire. The metro, yeah, also different.
I never be favorite that's only time because I will say, wait to us back. There's all be your generative now what they free.
Our kind of you're connected to her. We don't say you're connected to expert. You should the way it be it to the tracker and I say the buy.
Intensive care unit. Your friend is a stretcher. And
Kwame, about 3 months a year.
Your friend is school stretcher.
Maybe also.
Now they are sharing the person. I am son. Yes,
that's now the good years.
So you have so many equipment. We say, yeah, Hannah, your oxygen.
Okay.
Oxygen cylinders. It's wires connected. And the bahana. It's independent down so here from now what the tubes now we're regulating or Hannah. We're independent condition. Now what to determine the rate at which I'll be managed from. Obahands for Hannah, yen Rooney, Yema. We say, Ebia, oh, now Yama will draw be say, a year now, the man, and I say, say, oh, you have to keep it cool. It's all the ice too, now they do not share.
It's a fridge.
We say, if any fetal monitor, we know air for a pimple. See, Ebia, a pregnant woman air for hospital. Nowadays, there was some, even now they are told us so. Now, a read the air monitor, not a shell say, a colana shema mini phone, or briefly okay, no home in the air possibly, and now all your life, and also near your friend fetal monitor. Where's to say a friendly monitor, cardiac monitor? In science, what's a cardiac monitor? Cardiac monitor, yes. And see where you say, extra. ECG, at our say could try ECG, teachers and it generates electricity. Akumano, so Yamia born in such a way, say generate electricity. It's where say Akumano generates electricity. Come on. Now, say I show BP. You're connected and check BP, temperature, will be our BP cap near the above, not connected by natural. When you find the AED, automated external defibrillator, and also we hear movies at times who say, Ebia, Obi collapse here, not your press now, all of a sudden would be a shock. It's we normal simplify, no more automating everything. It's all pressing the Panakumano. Now the way, and when also now they are bought Nakumano. Now it's me Casachio. Natural say, I do something point, and natural say, Jai, Akumana or personal. Now for the shocking Nipano. It's over shock, I'll catch you be our bend the pan. On channel, and yes, I bet me a shock who I would in a honor. And I said, I calculate you, shock, not what collapse, and I what Nipano. So, did you, my dear? Well, so your friend, the ventilator. Ventilator no, is for patients who have difficulty in breathing. You cannot akwala wɔ ne settings panyin wɔ ne settings na wayɛ ama most especially covid ba yɛ ayɛ ti ventilator mo da ice adeɛ wei
Give me school for the deaf.
when is suctioning machine wei suctioning machine and I for accident patients na order all kasa go to say moja ana saliva ejina ne right until empty man nhumi until adeɛ wei our pressure and also say na connect ama oxygen na manage pressure now the tube no ahyɛ nipa n'anum na atwe moja no ana say ensure na ofi kra na ebetimi atwe na dia go container we no oh once one hour check nipa no oye okay na why then na o baba kan na wayi we na wash ne kama we so needles o sharps na ebe ya en to kan mu basa na be wo bia na ma o ya he o sharps so na o ya to I'm a way patient. I create a way for you to get access to the patient. Now I use way to short span, but any pan or tican. Now what trapping? It's with the way. Ever share when so different extrication device, Kendrick extrication device, and also all the shiny panel come now. So they say now a page and send a bear and a spinal. And who here my inter accidents here. Your bar nice say Mamun Chuchini Panama Montomo Bonamunia with Emma, police, fire, and ambulance. Yena on my chair, send a bear, if it's made in the panic come. Into so far basically, never be
a foundation here, a foundation under 1 year. But I be year 2 and among unofficially for well over 5 years, and why a small groups near there. But we thought, okay, if we are doing this already, why don't we formalize or make it official? Now through that, no, Yasha Kwaya Ibitimi Faso Abua and Kolatichu young focus when it comes to science and technology has to do with Nkolane won Kran Kitwana. Sabioma catch, you know. Yanina in himself, Uncle Ayo, and yes, Sabiomutie. They are very brilliant children. But Akyem no Munya, they don't have the exposure. And I've been phobia when it comes to science and tech gadgets. Usro videos are young client fan and some come out the fact that your friend a mouse no to clear phobia never persistent when it comes to science and tech. So the Biakulano be also can be. In any case, says be trying when she be science, technology. Into a conscious effort. And we are inviting a lot of other organizations that are into such areas, no, to come on board. I know that there are so many other organizations who are doing so much in this area, but the gap, backlog, so when it comes to the nation. So they are catching in science and technology. But the 2 years after, Bia say, "Your modern boning kakran will give these children a brighter future." And in the end, Ghana ne be winning. It doesn't matter which district they are coming from or which region they are coming from. Ghana ne be dinkunim. Originally, near plan is you buy schools in all the 26 communities away to east. And through data. District Directorate you contact your munina and now we're looking at close to 4,000 children. That is both public schools and then private schools. So they'll be and this had to do with junior high students. No many experienced this science and technology fair. But unfortunately, but Nyamenso were quite of us in Norma and Kobasa. A few challenges with Oma Nanke was saying, "Come kaya ho." Am I a buama jumadi we dimuno? But no, I don't want that to be the focus. Nyamiadom and abaso and Obibia na was so baby when ya Quenyamba na a quite business 20 yamba me so such be a case. Yes, I be ma and ye aunt na Emma will be in Sicina and I say aunt na home and in Ketchy. Tinyamiadom schools nearby more. Unfortunately, even though were Hano, schools nearby Hano, more na do na nefi outside the district. Omote said Bisano. A lot of them wanted to be part of it. And that's what for me counts. For Kyerema Foundation, the year can say out of the thousands of children experience a fair. even if si yebenya baako pempo out of this fair no obeba be yen Ghanaian, African or global science and tech icon na chese botaya ye disi ye ni so no na ye be fa ne se ye din konim, and that is what matters most to us. In the Nana Kyerema Foundation Medi Foundation anim kan po so obisa se ye ba ne ye be ye fair ni wi a science gadgets no ye be jama district na I mean na ye nika keke eti onu mpo na ma yen data ye di hu schools na wo nkura ni nyina na omo details in terms of numbers for each class or each stage and officials that were. Enti yende de na wase ye bia in fact jumedi ye sha ase no one of the first places I actually letter was the Ministry of Education. Ye actually letter called Ministry of Science and Environment. Actually letter called ministries be say you hear more support, and support didn't have to do with cash. I mean, you can say Ministry of Education in supporting here. Ministry of Education betima reach out to the district. So BBC you be caution to mom the necessary ketsi na ebe boa majumadi na ye fe no. That was all we wanted. Eti be bia na wasi ye chiro ko bia ye chiro ko. Well, some of them 6 months ago, some 3 months ago, others a month ago. Bibia na wasi ye bia ye. Enti ye wan say barely 72 hours to the time no. And normal say be kwa koba fe obia pese o kire se onim de ekoso sabia yare ho ye mu bebre ye mani ha me ye sure se mpanifo ni bebre me ngini se mpanifo na amu ye nduma won kran no kra ba kokra ba ku school nkrenkre ya na saving Anyinam as a town ye mu bebre mba ku schools won kran schools are papa international schools ni ade. But if senkola yi ebenya kwenyen na say ye be ma menim semen can say politics so say then you are getting in the way a yare ho na che senkola ne daach ne ye di agro no say de nyina ye ba ha ye hu hwe ahokeka nkola e di aba gadgets ne bia ye demonstrate say de omani agi afa. I am very convinced that nyame adom out of fairs like this and out of this particular one we are going to have global icons who would take their decision from today. I said the nana Anyinam hine man speech no kai no. It has to do with the managers of the say the district or the constituency. In as much as the Bepesenka would leave that aspect and not go into the details. No, we all know what it is. We all know what it is. But the and what my team has been very focused on and consistent about, they say challenge be by no. We make sure that we tell whoever it is say mo be mani pabo mo mani pambo nyame adom fair na beba so proof won't ni di say adwuma yi na nanom nso betai echi utie Anyinam hene ne mpanifo speeches na omo kasa nyina na che say bibia omo value a omo pese every time be beba kronum aboa development efutu omo de man kwala na nso se omo ntene omo hono mu nsua na omo nso ntimi embe ye obi daache, which I think is the year entire yes this adwumadi da kese be manyame se wa hye ono ani de anu onyam na yada Anyinam hene ase se in spite of the buy ni nyina no kra no odi ne nice see ho se oyo hene a opek krono a odi hene wo so no mpontuo enu achi program you wouldn't have been successful if not for your technology partners are ye ni omudi nkuta ho wholeheartedly and immediately omuji tu mu say ye bibi pa e bimba Ghana da and they would want to be part of it to make history. Yefa zipline services, yefa zipline drone services, yefa WAGBIP, our biochemistry department of the University of Ghana, yefa physics department of KNUST, yefa department of biomedical engineering, our University of Ghana, yefa InnovTech STEM Center, Dex Technology, ɛna SKT Aero drone shutter SKT Aero shutter ɛna deɛ yɛ nika kɛseɛ ne Afuako bi senior high girls ɔmo ti pɛn so sɛ sabi yɛn kwada ɛba bɛ hwɛ sɛ adwuma di but ɔmo tu anamɔn adi kan a ɔmo build drones a ɔmo bɛ demonstrate ɛma yɛ nyinaa yɛ hu yɛ ɛna Ghana National Fire Service a ɔmo wɔ ati wɔ ha ɛne Ghana Ambulance Service yɛda saa ndwumakuo yi nyinaa ase ɔmo nso ɔmo boa yɛn bɛla kwa ɔmo nso ɔmo ampopo ɔmo yɛnti ɔmo ti sɛ yɛn gye nsuo ne yɛmfa ma yɛ ahɔhoɔ Indomie ɛne awake ɔmo nso nsuo ne drinks ɔmo de mass yɛmfa ma ahɔhoɔ ne nkwalaa no ɛna Kairos Corporate Communications ɛne Alvaro's Eatery ɛna Makers Place ɛne Ago FM Radio 1 ɛne mu nyinaa yɛfrɛ mo mampopo mu ti a mo ka sɛ bibi sɛ yi kɔ so dia na ne ɛho hia sɛ mo nso mo de mo ahoɔden bɛta akyi na mo boa yɛda mo nyinaa ase yɛbɛsɛ nyame nhyira ma mo sɛ de bia daakye bia yɛyɛ bibi sɛ ya mo bɛnya akɔna no mabɛboa